Hi everyone! Today we are making beef rolled mochi. Mochi rice cake is wrapped and rolled with thinly sliced beef, then cooked in a sweet and salty sauce. Cut mochi in half lengthwise and cut sliced beef in half about the length of the mochi. And wrap and roll the mochi sticks with the beef to cover mochi completely. Repeat and wrap all the mochi with the beef. Heat the oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Place the beef in the pan and cook until lightly browned all around. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Lower the heat and add the sake, sugar, and soy sauce. And coat the sauce well and serve immediately. Soft and chewy mochi goes perfectly well with sukiyaki flavored beef. Hope you try this soon.
美味しい。美味しいね。